I encountered some very interesting people on Twitter. Let me tell you about the girl with anorexic. I know you guys are thinking, don't you mean anorexia? Normally I would, but this particular girl had anorexic. I'll explain. We're on Twitter, we're chatting, we're talking amongst ourselves, and then I go to her bio to see what she's about, and I see that there's no information there. So I say, hey, I see your bio is kind of empty. Can you tell me a little bit more about yourself? She responds, oh, biography wasn't one of my best subjects in school. Get the feeling school wasn't one of your best subjects. So, okay, this can happen to anybody. So, okay, let's give her a second chance. I go to the avatar, nice looking lady, I tweet her and I say, hey, looking rather slender than your avatar. How are you achieving that? She's like, my friends say I look like I've got anorexic. I'm like, Do they also say you sound like you've got idiotic? You guys are like, that's so mean. Twitter is rough, man. You can't be overly polite there. And then, of course, whilst we're talking about technology, there's something else that's happening. And I have a request, okay, just from us, the people of the world, to you, the people that have tablets. When your tablet rings, don't answer it like a phone. What are you saying about us as a species with that? You look like you're answering a laptop. You look like you're screening calls for Goliath, the giant from the Bible. Like, hello? Yes, Mr. Goliath can come to the phone, right? No, he's engaging in battle with the armies of Israel. No, they're sending out one boy. I think this is going to be a very short conversation. It should be done quickly. Is that a slingshot? Let me call you back. Yeah.